Sir, my name is Gerardo Ating, and our report is about the Republic Act 11479, or the an act to prevent, prohibit, and penalize terrorism, thereby repealing the Public Act of number 9372, otherwise known as the Human Security Act of 2007. Section 4, Terrorism. Terrorism, subject to Section 49, is an act of terrorism committed by any person whom within or outside the Philippines regardless of the stage of execution. Ang terrorism ito na mag-commit sa bisan sino na tao regardless diri sa suyod sa Pilipinas o sa gawas ng bansa. And yadian pa sa iya mga elements. 1. Engage an act intended to cause death, serious bodily injury to any person, endangered person's life, valid yung mag-commit ng mga crime na makapatay, makakos ng kamatayan na sa katao, mag-injury sa mga tao, sir. B. Engage an act intended to cause extensive damage, destruction to a government public facility, public places, or private property. Example sa yon, ilabumbahan ang mga eskwelahan, mga alam natin yung sa boulevard or sa STC na makakos ng harm sa mga tao. C. Engage in act intended to cause extensive interference with damage, destruction to critical infrastructure. D. To develop, manufacture, possess, or acquire, transport, supplies, or weapons, explosives, or the biological, or chemical. Makumit isang si sir pag inina akser pag mag-deliver ka ng or magbuhat ka ng mga explosive, mga bomba, para sa nyaon, mga armas, yung or release dangerous substance causing fire, floods, or explosion, or mag-release ka ng mga substance para sa nyaon, nuclear bomb, or mga hilo, yun, mag-hilo imo kay bali poisonan ang mga tao. When the purpose of act by its nature and context intimidate general public and segment thereof, create atmosphere or spread message to fear and provoke influence and intimidation to the government or international organization or seriously destabilize, destroy the fundamental political, economic o yung ang purpose na nila pag-atake is para law nato magubaan kuan ng government, animis ng government, o mapiktuhan ang publiko o yung na nila pag-atake kay nila kuan against the government, yung mangguba or yung basta maghimo siya ng mga crime against the government. Shall guilty to committing terrorism shall be the penalty of life imprisonment without the benefit of parole or the benefit of Public Act 10592, otherwise known as an act amending Article 231, amended otherwise known as the Revised Penal Code. Ang mga commitment na crime sa terrorism is mapanisya ng lifetime imprisonment, panghabang buhay ng imprisonment, na wayay kibali yay chance na maka-apply ng parole or to good conduct time allowance na nini 10592. Section 5, threat to commit terrorism. Any person who shall threaten to commit any of the act mentioned in Section 4 thereof shall suffer penalty imprisonment of 12 years. Dari Section 5, ang mga tao na mag-commit ng terrorism, i-discuss na kayo ang plaza na ito, parehas na ito, citation, or yung, pati sa ito,
Proposal
mag-proposal sa mga tao. Ang kuanan niya, ang penalty na niya is 12 years, gayud, yay sobra, or ay puyang. Section 6, planning, training, preparing, or facilitating commission of terrorism. It shall be unlawful to any person participate, planning, training, preparation, or facilitation, or commission of terrorism, processing object within the preparation or commission of terrorism, or collecting or making documents connected with the preparation of terrorism. Sa Section 6 sub, ang mga tao na involved sa pagplano, pag-training, pag-prepare, pag-hatag ng mga laman nato, mga kwarta para makumit o na crime. Sila ang mga tao na ini kay mapenaltihan sila ng lifetime imprisonment without the benefit of parole and the benefit of the Public Act 10592. Ang panghabang buhay kay sabaan nila makumit para sa Section 3 o Section 4 o Section 6. Lifetime imprisonment, yay benefit ng parole o yay benefit ng good time conduct allowance. Amo ra to sir, thank you.
Conspiracy to commit terrorism. Any conspiracy to commit terrorism is defined and penalties under Section 4 of this Act shall suffer the penalty of life imprisonment without the benefits of parole and benefits of Republic Act 10592. So kung makakommit ka nga din na kapanisan ka ng life imprisonment, dili ka sa benefits ng parole o dili ka maka-benefits ng 10592 Republic Act 10592 good conduct time allowance. So, there is conspiracy when two or more person come to agreement concerning the commission of terrorism as defined in Section 4 hereof and decide to commit the some. So ang conspiracy kuan yan kung may duha ka tao or may duha or damo na tao na magplano na makomit yon sila na krimen. Section 8, proposal to commit terrorism. Any person who propose to commit terrorism as defined in Section 4 hereof shall suffer the penalty of imprisonment of 12 years. So any person kung sino na tawang kung sino na tawang mo-propose or magpasimuno na mo-commit ng terrorism, makuha niya siya mabilong sa under Section 4, penalty ang gayapon siya ng life imprisonment of 12 years, may 12 years na penalty. Section 9, inciting to commit terrorism. Any person who without taking any direct part in the commission of terrorism shall include other to execution of any of the acts specified in Section 4 hereof by means of speech, proclamations, writings, emblem, banners, or other presentation tending to some inch shall suffer the penalty of 12 years. So, amo na gamon ini sa proposal gibali imo encourage ang mga tao na mo-commit ng terrorism. So, makuha gyapon ini siya malayabol gyapon ini sa under Section 4, mapinaltihan gyapon siya ng 12 years kung makuha niya yun. Kibali pa encourage ang mga tao na kibali imo pakuanan ba pakumita ng terrorism.
Section 10, recruitment to and membership in a terrorist organization. Ano siya? Any person who shall recruit another to participate in join, commit, or support terrorist or a terrorism individual or any terrorist organization. Ano siya, sir? Any person kuno nga mag-recruit sa usa ka tao para mo-attend sa usa ka terroristang buluhaton is liable sa recruitment to and membership in a terrorist organization. Any terrorist organization, association, or group, person prescribed under Section 26 of this Act or designated by the United States Security Council as a terrorist organization or organized for the purpose of engaging in terrorism shall suffer the penalty of imprisonment without the benefit of parole and the benefit of Republic Act. Anak siya, mapriso daw siya sa panghabang buhay na pagkakakulong and without the benefits of parole o ang Republic Act number 1059-2. The same penalty shall impose on any person who organize or facilitate the travel of individuals to states other than their state's residence or nationality for the purpose of recruitment, which may be committed through any of the following. A. Recruit another person to serve in a capacity in which armed force in a foreign state, whether the armed force formed but the armed force of the government of that foreign state or nation. Punishing and advertising or propaganda to the purpose of recruiting purpose to serve in a capacity in or such armed force. Ano siya? Ang pag-recruit daw pinaagi sa mga propaganda or mga patalastas is liable po na siya sa recruitment of terrorism. C. Publishing and advertise of propaganda containing in information relating to the place or what manner in which person may make application. Anak ko kayo na mga paghimo og mga patalastas or mga propaganda may tungod sa pag-promote sa usa ka organisasyon nga ang katuyuan is terrorism. Performing any other act with intention of facilitating or promoting the recruitment of the person to serve any person who shall voluntary and knowingly. Section 11, foreign terrorism. Pag mingon tag foreign terrorism, isa ka terorista nga example sir diri sa Pilipinas, na citizen sa Pilipinas moadto sa lain nasod para lang sa terorista nga buluhaton, mao na sa ginatawag nga foreign terrorism. The following acts are unlawful and shall suffer the penalty of the imprisonment without the benefits of parole and the benefits of Republic Act number 1059-2. Ang penalty daw sa iya sir is imprisonment without the benefits of the parole o without the benefits of the Republic Act number 1059-2 or good conduct time allowance. Ano siya? A. For any person to travel or attempt to travel to a state other than her state. Ano siya? Any person kuno nga mo travel pa ingon sa lain nga nasod is liable aning act. Igdana po diri sa B, for any person to organize or facilitate the travel of individual. Ana po siya nga kung tabangan nimo ang usa ka tawo nga mag-travel padulong sa lain nasod is liable pod ka aning act. Section 12, providing material support to terrorism. Ana siya sir diri nga kung ikaw daw is nakay ginabuhat para suportahan ang terrorism or terorista, halimbawa nag-support ka og bugas, kwarta, o mga pagkaon nila, liable pod ka aning act. Any person who should provide mental support to a terrorist individual or terrorist organization associated or group of person committed any of the act punishable under Section 4. Haircut knowing that such individual, organization, association, or group at person is committing or planning to commit such acts shall be liable principle to any and all terrorist activities committed by said individual or organization. Mo to nga ginasuportahan nimo ang usa ka organisasyon